sea scallops are delicate and sweet, but they have to be handled and cooked correctly. Now that's not as hard as you might think, and I'll show you how to do it as I show you today seared sea scallops in beurre blanc. Now to make the beurre blanc, I've got some shallots finely diced, cooking in some butter, and now I'll add in a cup of wine and let the wine reduce till the pan is almost dry. Now the wine has just about evaporated and it's infused its flavor into the shallots. I'm just going to add just a dash of cayenne, and now I'll start adding butter in chunks, about a stick and a half, and melt each one individually before adding the next. Now I'll strain the sauce into another pan. I've got it arranged like a double boiler, and I'll keep it warm over simmering water. Now the secret to perfectly seared scallops is they must be absolutely dry, and so I've blotted them dry, and now I'll season them with salt and pepper on both sides, and they'll go into a hot non-stick pan and we'll sear them. My scallops are beautifully seared, and now I will just coat them with that wonderful beurre blanc that's been sitting over simmering water. And that is just a beautiful classic, and you can get the recipe for it by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Merci beaucoup for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.